Hey everyone, Gil here at Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about practicing dry canning. And some of you are going to go, why do I need to practice dry canning? I just put rice or beans or something in a jar, put a lid on it, and put it away. Well, that's one way. There's another way of dry canning too, where you actually put the can in the oven and heat it up a little bit, and then put a regular canning lid on it and a ring to seal it, get a little bit of a vacuum seal on it as well. All right. There's a whole bunch of different ways of dry canning than just pouring something in a jar, putting a lid on it, and sticking it on the shelf. So with this, that means, hey, you guys got to do some research on your own. You got to find out, all right, I want to dry can this item. How do I go about doing it? Do some research, gain a skill. All right. So with that, I'm going to say, use your brain, please. And I'm going to put some links up here on both sides here to playlists, my other channel, Camp Family Compound, Prepping in Private, Prepping for Beginners, and Be Selfish by Sharing down here about sharing how to prep with people. All right. Why? Well, this is why.